Hello everyone. Let's wait for some more people to join. Then we will start. Hello everyone. Let's wait for some more people to join. Then we will start. Hello Namrata Di. Hello Karthika ji. See hello CA Sapna ji. Hello CA Sapna ji. I think now I can start. Hello everyone. Good evening. Welcome to my kids drawing online workshop of pencil shading. Live demo today. This is Nidhi Khandelwal in collaboration with my kids drawing, here to do a live demo of fruits bowl by using simple strokes and easy techniques and shapes. Am I audible? Please comment in comment box. Am I audible? Let's wait for some more people to join. Hi Kesav. Hi Sampurna ji. Hi Vanita ji. Hi Anjali ji. Hi Sampurna ji. Hi Chavi. Hi Shreya. Hi Barnali ji. Hi Sri Devi ji. Hello everyone. Hi Manpreet ji. Now I think I should start. Materials we need: drawing copy, sharpener, eraser, scale, HB pencil, 2B pencil and 4B pencil, and the rough paper or newspaper. Let me give you intro of my kids drawing. My kids drawing is a place where you can share and store your drawings in our FB and Insta page. My kids drawing conduct monthly competition and winner get gifts by us. We encourage and support kids by giving participation certificates by us. We want children to be proud of their art. We want children to be proud of their art. We want them to dream big. So kids, what are you waiting for? So draw and upload your drawings. Our mission is spreading as much happiness as humanly possible. Here you can earn talent coins by uploading and sharing drawing referrals, creating artist shop and art avenue. For more details, you can log into www.mykidsdrawing.in. You can also get in touch with us on facebook.com, that is my kids drawing, even insta.com, that is my kids drawing, or mykidsdrawing@gmail.com. Hello Aditi, hello Shreya ji, hello Sri Devi ji. Hello Anjali ji. Now I am going to introduce myself. This is Nidhi Khandelwal. I am a teacher by profession and an artist by profession. I have completed 7 years diploma in painting. You can also get in touch with us in www.mykidsdrawing and also in facebook.com, that is my kids drawing, even insta.com, that is my drawing kids, also in mykidsdrawing@gmail.com. All of you can see my work on Unlimited Art. Unlimited Art is my FB page. You can follow me there. Hello Nitya ji, hello Pampa ji, hello Puspender ji, hello Jay ji, hello Santoshi ji, hello Anita ji, hello everyone. I hope all of you are ready with your materials. I will use both Hindi and English. You may use any other brand pencil. I will use Apsara pencil. Okay? Should I start? Please write down in the comment box. Okay, I am gonna start. For drawing, I am going to use HB pencil. Okay, don't use any 2B or 4B pencil. For drawing, I will use HB pencil. Okay, we will draw this drawing. Is it visible? Okay, yes. Let's start. I have already drawn for you. Draw a straight line with the help of scale. Please draw very light line in the middle. Don't use shading pencil. Use only HB pencil. Okay, guys? Okay? Draw a big U or curve. You can see this is a curve. Okay? So, draw a big U. Draw a big U. Is it visible? Hi Namita ji. Hi Vandana ji. Hi Pushpender ji. Okay. Now write 111 here and draw a straight line. Now draw a curve here. Now erase this line. Can you see which alphabet is this? Which alphabet is this? Yes, this is U or curve. So now we will draw a U or curve. You can erase. Now do outline of this U. Please draw very light. Don't use dark pencil for drawing. Okay, guys? Yes, U. Okay? Now we will erase this straight line. Okay, guys? If your bowl is not proper, so you can turn your copy and see. Okay? Turn your copy and do like this. Okay, guys? I hope all of you completed till here. If anyone is getting any trouble, so please write down in comment box given below. Now we will draw a small curve here and here also. You can see in this drawing, here is a curve and also here. Okay. I hope all of you are enjoying. All of you can see mango is here. For mango, we will draw a circle. All of you can see this is looking like a circle. Okay guys. So now we will draw a circle here. Circle here, okay? So I'm going to draw a circle. All of you follow me step by step. This. Now write C here. Okay. Now erase this part. Slowly, slowly, okay? Now we will, all of you can see, this is also opposite U. We will draw this. And draw a curve. Two curve, okay? And join this. One curve here and join this. I hope all of you have completed till here. Now I am going to draw pomegranate. Okay guys? So अपने कॉपी को उल्टा कीजिए and drawing को भी, and all of you can see which alphabet is this. If we join, then which alphabet is this? Yes, this is U. So again we will use U here. Please draw light. Don't use dark pencil. Okay. And for an apple, you can also see here is also use of U. Is it visible? Now we will draw again U here, like this. Now turn your copy. Now turn your copy. And all of you can see here is a U, and below of this U there is also a U, small u. So one U here and a small u below here, below of this U. Okay guys. Now draw a curve and a straight line like this. And draw a oval shape here. And erase this, erase this Now all of you can see this is a small curve. So we will write C here, okay? Write C here. All of you please write C here and opposite C here. यहाँ सीधा C लिखे और यहाँ पे उल्टा C लिखे. All of you got it? And write here 2 times V. Okay? Now draw like this. Now we will draw grapes. All of you can see this is also U. You can also use U shape or 3. I will use 3. You can also use U shape, okay? No problem. I'm going to use 3. 3 and a curve, okay? This place is empty, so I will draw a curve here. Now again write 3 in the middle of this boat, okay? And here also draw a curve. Again 3 and draw a curve. I hope all of you are enjoying with me. Again write 3. Now draw a curve here and outline this like this and draw a rectangle here. Hey kids, I hope all of you will have done till here. Please write yes in comment box given below. Okay, I'm waiting for you all. Yes, okay. We will use simple strokes. We can use strokes in rough paper first. Please take out your rough paper and try first in rough paper, okay? This is my rough paper. Put your pencil here and leave like this. Very slowly, slowly, okay? Please follow me step by step. Okay? Is it visible? Thank you, Pampaji. What's your doubter's name? May I know? Again, try in rough paper, then we will use in our drawing. We will use this stroke in our sketching also, okay? And this also round, okay? Like this. ये हम सब पेंसिल कलर पे भी यूज करते हैं, ये वाला जो मैं बता रही हूँ मिक्सिंग वाला. सो इट इज वेरी इजी. ओके. थैंक यू हरिशीता. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. Please sharpen your pencils before using. All of you, please sharpen your pencil first, then start, okay? I am going to use 2B pencil. All of you can see this is 2B pencil. I am using Apsara pencil, okay guys? Okay. Put newspaper or any rough paper below your hand. I am going to shading mango first. So put your rough paper or newspaper below your hand. Okay? Now start. Outline. Do outline first. And use these strokes or hatching. Okay. Now follow me step by step. It's very easy. So let's start. Slowly, slowly, strokes. Like this. Put your pencil here and leave like this. Okay? पेंसिल को यहाँ रखिए और छोड़िए. अगर अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में करने में आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है हैचिंग करने में और स्ट्रोक्स करने में, तो आप कॉपी को उल्टा करें और ऐसे। We will use the same strokes for hatching in all fruits. Okay. So now I am going to use don't give excess pressure to your pencil. We will use same stroke in whole drawing. Use pencil very lightly. Okay. Follow me step by step. I hope all of you are enjoying. Use upward and downward strokes. Now we will in apple also. Put a pencil here and leave like this. Put a pencil here and like this. Okay. Slowly. ज़्यादा हड़बड़ाएंगे नहीं, आराम से करेंगे. Now I am going to shading pomegranate. So do outline first and please put newspaper here. Now do outline first and same stroke we will use here. अगर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही हो तो प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे कमेंट करें. Now highlight C and V also. do like this here. I am using, hello ये सपना जी, I am using Apsara pencil. You can also use Faber-Castell. Now do outline here. Put newspaper here and fill this empty place. Now this is do outline here and use strokes, simple strokes. Okay, now do outline here also. Now outline grapes and also use upward strokes or downward also, and round also use your round and do outline. Again outline here. Do outline. We will use same strokes or mixing in whole grapes. Okay. I am using 2B pencil, Sapna ji. I will use 4B pencil for outline or highlighting. Okay. I am using here circle. Is mixing it very nicely. Okay. Now outline here. Now fill here. And do outline. Now I'm going to draw leaf. Okay, ऐसे नीचे की तरफ करें लीफ को और ऐसे ओके स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करें एंड वी विल राइट भी. कॉपी को उल्टा करें और भी लिखे. ओके गाइस, if you want to ask any question you may ask. Okay, if you have not if you don't have shading pencil, so you can use HB pencil also, normal pencil also, normal pencil also, no problem. बट शेडिंग पेंसिल अगर हो आपके पास तो वो ज्यादा अच्छा होता है, क्योंकि शेडिंग पेंसिल से ज्यादा अच्छा इफेक्ट आता है जो नॉर्मल पेंसिल से नहीं आएगा. ओके, this strokes here also, and do like this and feel here. Okay, video is not visible, Pampa ji. Okay, now visible or not? We will use same strokes in fruit bowl. Okay, so I'm going to use 4B pencil. Now we will use 4B pencil. Okay guys, this is 4B pencil. I'm going to use. Put paper here and start strokes. Firstly we will do outline like this and start strokes. Okay, now upward stroke. Opposite direction. Okay. And do outline or highlight. Like this. Put paper, any paper here. Now stroke. I will stroke here also. Now all of you can see. This is looking like V. Okay, and this is a curve. So I am going to draw V or a curve. Okay. Firstly, write V like this and a curve like this. Okay guys, now put newspaper or any paper here and start shading. Here light, here dark. मुझे फॉलो करते रहे. ओके now upward stroke we will use. Okay, here downward. This is not proper. I'm erasing this. Okay Raja ji. Now we will do this stroke. Okay. Now highlight this curve. Thank you Sampurna ji. Thank you very much. Now highlight here also. Also use strokes here. Now I am going to highlight mango with 4B pencil. All of you please use 4B pencil for highlighting. Here also. Here also. Is it visible? Hey guys, is it visible or not? Now I am going to highlight pomegranate. And highlight grapes also. Thank you Nitya ji. round here. Highlight this part. And here also highlight. Okay guys, is it clear? What? No, Anita ji? Oh, okay. You don't have any trouble, okay. Highlight this part also, and this curve also. Now you can see we have completed our fruits bowl. Anyone wants to ask any question? Is it visible? Hey kids, hey all of you, is it visible or not? Please complete your pencil shading fruit bowl and upload in my kids drawing page. Yes Nidhi ji, I can make man sketch also. Thank you Kartika ji. Please complete your shading fruit bowl and upload in my kids drawing FB page. I hope many of you completed. So please upload in my kids drawing FB page. We completed our fruit bowl. You can see this is our fruit bowl. Fruits bowl, okay guys? Okay? Thank you Gitanjali ji. Thank you Vikas ji. If you like my pencil shading workshop, so you can follow me on my FB page, Unlimited Art. Unlimited Art is my FB page, okay guys? Thank you everyone. If you want to see my work shop, again you can visit in my kidsdrawing.com Facebook page. Thank you Sunita ji. Thank you very much for your comment. Do you know this is my first workshop, online workshop. So please don't forget to share on mykidsdrawing.in, okay? Please share your drawing there. So this is our fruit bowl. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, see ya. See ya